To connect your DJI Pocket 4 to a computer, well, you can connect it just by using the cable under here, but you can also use that little device that comes with it to make it stand like that and connect the cable at the back. Well, if the camera is turned off, this will charge the camera only, but when you power it on, and you can connect the cable while the camera is on, you will see this little menu to let you choose what you want to do. Because file transfer is the last thing that I did select, as I did nothing for 2 seconds, it is what it did select automatically. Otherwise, you can select webcam or charging only. But once it is connected just like that, on the computer, you should see the Pocket 4 and the SD card. So if I go into Pocket 4, I'm in the internal memory, so I can go into DCIM, and there's actually nothing because I'm using the SD card, which is just right here, DCIM, DJI1. This is where everything is, and your file will be all there. Only the MP4 and the JPEG or the RAW file will be interesting. The LRF, I just delete those all the time. They are absolutely useless. I think they done something in the app, but for me, I just never use it. So that's why I say they are useless. The other way you can transfer your file, let's disconnect that. Yes, you should disconnect it on the computer before, but I don't care, and that never gave me any problem. So you can also open the door that is just right here. Remove the micro SD card, put it into your computer or into a reader to your computer, and you should have the exact same result as we just have, except that you can't transfer file from the internal memory, only from the SD card. So I hope this was helpful.